Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your address in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker website from a browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Then navigate to Account Setting section. Then, once the Account Setting page opens up, go to Personal Information section. Since I have a demo account, I don't have that option available. After you go to Personal Information, click to Edit Address. Update your new address, then click to Review and submit the changes. Then your address will be changed in Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.